Welcome to our review of the AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard. If you're on the hunt for a feature-packed keyboard that combines versatility and performance, you've come to the right place. This keyboard promises to elevate your typing and gaming experience with its unique design and advanced functionalities. First up, let's talk about connectivity. The AULA F99 offers tri-mode connectivity options. You can connect via Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, or even USB-C. This flexibility means you can easily switch between devices like your PC, tablet, or gaming console. Imagine gaming on your Xbox one moment, then seamlessly typing on your laptop the next. The transition is smooth and hassle-free, catering to both gamers and professionals alike. Now let's dive deeper into the performance of this mechanical keyboard. One of the standout features is the hot-swappable key switches. This means you can easily customize your typing experience by swapping out the pre-lubed linear switches according to your preferences. With a gentle push, you can change the switches without soldering, allowing for an easy upgrade or personalization. Speaking of switches, the pre-lubed linear switches provide a smooth and quiet typing experience. Whether you're tackling an intense gaming session or working on an important project, the tactile feedback from these switches enhances responsiveness and comfort. You'll find that each keystroke feels satisfying, making typing more enjoyable. The keyboard also features a gasket structure, which adds to its durability and typing comfort. This innovative design minimizes the impact shock caused by key presses, resulting in a quieter and cushioned experience. Gamers and typists will appreciate the reduction in noise and the pleasant, soft feel on their fingers. And we can't overlook the aesthetics. The AULA F99 boasts vibrant RGB backlighting. With numerous lighting effects and customizable options, you can personalize your keyboard to match your setup and mood. Whether you prefer a static color or a dynamic dance of lights, this keyboard ensures your workspace or gaming station looks as good as it feels. In terms of build quality, the AULA F99 does not disappoint. Weighing in at a sturdy profile, this keyboard feels substantial and robust on your desk. Its design aligns perfectly for both casual and serious gamers, and the keys are laid out for optimum comfort and productivity during extended typing sessions. Battery life is another strong suit for the AULA F99. Thanks to its efficient power management, you can game or work for hours without worrying about recharging. This is crucial for uninterrupted gaming or professional duties, allowing you to focus solely on what you love to do. To sum up, the AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard combines versatility, customization, and stellar performance in a compact package. With its tri-mode connectivity, hot-swappable switches, gasket structure, and striking RGB lighting, it's a fantastic choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone who spends long hours typing. If you're looking for a keyboard that adapts to your lifestyle and enhances your overall experience, the AULA F99 is certainly worth considering. Thank you for listening to our review of the AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard, and we hope it helps you make an informed decision on your next keyboard purchase.